your friend Anurag. I will share with you some interesting facts every time we meet, and we will experiment it here using real life objects. So let's begin. Friends, we have made bubbles many times in our life. But have you ever made a bubble inside a bubble? No, right? But today, I will make a bubble inside a bubble in this simple activity. So let's get started. To do this activity, we will need a little bit of sugar, a small glass of water, a spoon, a straw, a plate and little bit of dishwash. To make the solution, we will need 1 tablespoon of sugar, 2 tablespoons of dishwash, and let's mix it. We will mix it till the sugar gets dissolved. The sugar is totally dissolved in water. Now let's take some froth and spread it in this plate. Now let's make some bubbles. One, two, three. I have made 3 bubbles. This happens because the surface tension of the water is broken down by the dishwash. As a result, bubbles are formed. You can also do this at home using this simple activity. Thanks for watching my video. If you love this video, please drop a like and subscribe to my channel, which is Kids Knowledge Hub. Till then, take care.